Hello and welcome. Today in this video I want to teach you a great and profitable strategy that takes a little time to learn, and it is a simple strategy. And if you learn well and practice well, you will benefit. This strategy works and makes a profit in all markets, including forex crypto stock market. Finally, financial markets have their own risks that you must be aware of and take responsibility for and manage risk and capital in this world. Let's go to our strategy. In this strategy, we need 3 EMA20, 50, 100 that we add to the chart from the indicators section. Our strategy time frame is 5 minutes. In the chart, we follow clear ascending or descending trends. Here we must meet these conditions. Prices are trending. EMAs at 20, 50, 100 in one direction respectively. Candles are above the EMA. We must comply with these conditions. In areas of suffering where EMAs and candles are intertwined and the trend is not clear, we do not use this strategy and wait for the trend to develop. Strategy B works in such a way that the price pulls back on one of the 20, 50 EMA. For example, it pulls back on EMA 50 and returns, and when it returns, it hits EMA 20, which is our entry point, and here we enter the deal. As you can see, in this situation, the price has a downward trend and the candlesticks are below the EMA, and the 50 and 100 EMA are in order. In this situation, the price has pulled back to 50 EMA and hit 20 EMA while returning, and this is our entry point. Our stop loss is behind this candle, and we put 1.5 times the stop loss of TP. As you can see, the deal closes with a profit. This situation is similar to the previous transaction, and we act like the previous transaction and take a short position. These areas are suffering, and we have nothing to do with these areas. There is a situation here. The trend is upward and all conditions are met. So when the price returns to 20 EMA, we open the long position. Make sure the TP is 1.5 times the stop loss. I hope you get your share of the market by practicing and repeating a lot and mastering this strategy.